If your Windows 11 system is crashing or showing a blue or black screen error, you can use Dell Support Assist to help diagnose and fix the issue. Follow these steps to run an automated repair and restore system stability. Start by clicking the Windows Start button, then search for and open Support Assist. Once the app opens, click the menu icon on the left to expand the options, then select Support. Under View Common Issues, click Get Started. From the list of issues, find My PC stopped responding or restarted unexpectedly and select Fix My PC. Scroll down and click Fix Now to begin the automated repair process. Support Assist will scan your system and attempt to resolve the issue automatically. If you are still experiencing issues with a blue or black screen, contact us via social media so we can assist you. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos for more Dell support.